Are firefighter PPE cleaning methods keeping up with NFPA standards? Imagine fighting fires and then wondering if your gear is truly safe for the next call. That's a question many firefighters ask as standards evolve to protect their health. NFPA standards, especially NFPA 1851, set the rules for how firefighter personal protective equipment should be cleaned and maintained. These standards are designed to reduce exposure to dangerous contaminants like soot, chemicals, and toxic particles. They requiring to main cleaning steps. First, a quick exposure reduction right after leaving a fire scene. This involves dry brushing or wet wiping to remove loose debris and soot. It's important because soot can clog gear and reduce its protective qualities. Fire departments must isolate contaminated gear and avoid transporting it in passenger areas to prevent cross-contamination. The second step is advanced cleaning, which must be done at least twice a year or whenever gear is heavily exposed. This involves machine washing at higher temperatures, sometimes up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, with water quality monitored to ensure effectiveness. The new NFPA 1850 consolidated standard has made these protocols more strict. It now allows higher wash temperatures and expands cleaning to more gear types. It also emphasizes verifying that cleaning facilities meet these standards through independent certification. Over 80 cleaning facilities in North America are verified to meet NFPA standards. These facilities undergo rigorous testing by organizations like Interdec Testing Services and All Solutions. They check that cleaning methods remove contaminants effectively and that gear remains protective after cleaning. This verification process helps departments trust that their gear is being cleaned properly. Departments are now required to appoint PPE managers and technicians. These trained professionals oversee cleaning, inspection, and maintenance. They ensure protocols are followed properly, which was less formal in the past. Inspections have become more detailed, checking helmets, gloves, boots, and hoods for damage or contamination. For example, particulate blocking hoods and gloves are tested to see if they still block particles effectively. Design changes in gear also reflected these standards. Fire helmets now have removable soft goods that can be reinstalled within 20 minutes, reducing exposure during cleaning. New testing methods evaluate breathability, UV resistance, and flame resistance to ensure gear performs well under different conditions. Implementation can be a challenge, especially for smaller departments. They need dedicated spaces for contaminated and clean gear, proper handling procedures, and trained staff with personal protective equipment like gloves and respirators. Some relying on commercial cleaning facilities verified by independent organizations, which can be costly but offer peace of mind. The goal of these evolving standards is to protect firefighters from long-term health risks caused by toxic substances on their gear. Proper cleaning and maintenance extend gear life and reduce health hazards. While many departments are making progress, some still operate with older methods that may not fully meet these standards. In the end, the question is whether fire departments are keeping pace with these new requirements. The answer is a mix. Many are adopting advanced cleaning protocols and verified facilities, but others face hurdles like cost and infrastructure. The push toward better PPE decontamination is clear, and it's a step forward in safeguarding those who risk their lives every day.